me, bro. Like actually. So we're gonna be using Visual Studio Code because I want to. Control E. Okay. Oh shit. Folder to the Python and then get this main.py. Okay. So fuck this. Control up. Control up. Control up. Just like do this. Import CustomTkinter SDK. Create a window. Set the default theme to light. So root dot. Is it actually like that? CustomTkinter. Oh, there we go. I don't have the file. That's what is possible. So set CTK, just CTK appearance mode. CTK tk dot set underscore appearance mode light, and then okay, create the window dot ctk tk dot tk dot tck, and then add define the window size, window dot geometry, window dot geometry. It's gonna be 1280x and 20 because I want to have like so, and then we can give a title, window dot title is equal to random. Now run the thing, window dot main loop. Now we're gonna create a define the grid. So we have window dot column configure, and then we say 0. I'll say 0 weight with the weight equal to 1. So we have the column 1, and then we can have column 1 here. So we have 2 columns, and then on the column 0 we're gonna have window dot row configure, and then we're gonna say 0, and then the weight is gonna be 1. Same thing over here, yank this is like that. Yeah, it's gonna be like that, I think so. Now we can change it. We can do so. We have just defined this. So we have just defined the lines like here, here, and here. So basically, in column 1, in column 0, there's these 2 rows, and in column 1, there's nothing. So basically, in column 0, there's row 1, 0, and row 1, and then in column 1, there's what? Shit. There's only one column. There's no rows. I think it's gonna be good. Let's just make tests. Create widgets testing. So label 1 is equal to tk.c label tk.label. So I'm gonna go window, and then text is gonna be label 1, and then that's it. Or 2, and then or 3. I'm sorry, or 3. Now display the widgets. I'm gonna create another label called label 4 or 4 or 2 or 3 or 4, because I want to see if it's actually like that. Okay, so display the label. So label 1 dot grid. It's label 1 dot grid. We're gonna say row is equal to 0, and then the column is equal to 0. This here is gonna be R2, and then this is gonna be R1. So we can have that. I don't need 4. I don't need that, I think. Wait. So label.grid, I'm gonna go for 0, and then column 1. I think it should work. And then this is going to be 3. So if I do clear python main.py, it's gonna be like that. So this is so it just creates it. That's a problem that I'm gonna get. So instead of doing what I want here, it just basically did this. It basically did 6 here, and then it did here. I'm sorry, and then 6 again. It just basically done that, but I don't want that. I want to exclude this. What if I have 2 columns and I do not want to have any rows in the second column? I.e column is equal to 1. I don't know, in the second column. Oh, I'll define the side, the grid layout with row configure and column configure. Let's try this. Let's just copy this so I can get a better idea of what it's trying to tell me. I'm just gonna paste this over here. Bruh. Copy code. Control V. What did I just do? Python test py. Oh yeah, but I want this to be in the middle. Yeah, this is what I did. Now I want this to be in the middle. I want to have label 4 in the middle of the column. row span label for across rows 0 to 1 column 1. Copy this and then what caps lock is on. Okay, I think it's gonna be good now. Bruh. Yes, that is what I want. So how did it do that? So how did it actually do that? So it's gonna be a row span. Okay, can you explain in detail what the argument you met row span does? Spanning across rows when you span argument in the grid method will tell TDK to make the widget taller by spanning it across multiple grids in the grid. But what if I have insert no? For the python.test, it's gonna be no. Now if I remove, if I create another label 5, and then if I do 5, let's create a button. CIW button, CIW button, CI button, and then I'm gonna create label instead of doing that. So I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this. What is this going to get me? What is this going to give me? Basically the same thing. Okay, let's do a background color. Background BG is equal to red. So just add this to everything. Yank this, paste this over here, paste this over here, undo, paste this over here, paste this over here. Now CIW, so blue, CIW yellow, cyan, green. If I do this, I get this. That's the padding. Yeah, that's the sticky thing. If I remove the sticky, Control V down, and do this. If I remove this, and I increase the padding of it, so 100 for example. No, this does nothing. Okay, it's doing something. 500. Yeah, it's gonna change that to 50. So what about 50? That changes the padding here, I think. Yeah, changes the padding over here, because this doesn't have paddings, but this has the distance. Power toys. I actually can't believe I'm gonna measure something, bruh. Settings. Wait. So where is screen ruler? How do I access the screen ruler? Windows Shift M. Windows Shift M. So this is 90, 186. This is 101, I guess. I don't understand. 90, 90. Okay, okay. Let's change the padding. The padding. So this is padding Y, and this is padding X. If I change the padding to 0, so wait, if I change the padding to 0, so this is going to be like so. It's gonna be around, there's nothing. Oh, because it's in grid, it's in the middle. But if I do it, if I do the padding of 0, and if I do sticky, and then I'm gonna go to west, now it's gonna be doing something. Let me do a root dot geometry, so 80x720p. Now I don't need to fucking do this again. So it's gonna be like that. But now if I had a padding, if I had a padding to of 100, let's add 10 for example, it's gonna be like that. It's a padding of X. I understand now. Yeah, it's a padding of X. So the row span thing, now I'm gonna create a button. The button is gonna be grid of 0, row 0, column 1, and then the row span is equal to, what if I do 0, and then I'm not gonna do it, I'm not gonna put anything. Let's not put anything. What does this do? It's a button here. Okay, I'm gonna add the row span now. Row span is equal to 1. What does this do? Still 1 or 2. What does this do? Changed it. Did it. Undo. Paste this here, and then button 1. Button 1. I'm gonna go CIW black. You know what? Let's go pink. And then the button, so yank this, paste this, and then I'm gonna go button 1. So row span 1 is gonna be same. Okay, this is row span 2. Okay, this is still not in the middle. And then you have row span 3, which is gonna give you in the middle. Okay, if you have 3 rows, it's gonna be like that. Now if I create another row, row so of 3, if I create another row, it's not gonna be, it's gonna be above. Yeah, did that change? Actually, let's create, let's put the button over here also. Let's put the button in the row of 3, and then just remove that row span, and then that's it. Just test it. Okay, it's not placing. Yeah, why is it not placing? Row 3, column 0 or 0. That's it. Where's my button? Column configure 3, and then wait 1. Row configure 3. Oh, because button is also there. Yeah, it's gonna okay, I'm gonna create another button then. button 1 yank this, or 2, button 1 or 3 or 2, and then this is gonna go for brown, and then this is going to be button 2. It's gonna be button 2 here. Yeah, now I think I get the idea. I think I get the idea. Okay, let's go there. Now we have, so if I do python main.py, it's gonna be here. Place label 3, label 3 in the middle of column 1. So row span is equal to 3. Will it work with tkinter now? It works with tkinter. Okay. Now we're gonna get to the real thing. So control this, shift V, control this, and then insert this. Okay. Now we get to the real deal. Testing. Okay, so testing, that is it, and then we're gonna create, display the widgets. Okay, this is displaying. Okay, testing. And then create the widget. So settings. So settings is equal to tk.ctk label. So I'm gonna say window. So window text is equal to settings, and then the text color is equal to let the text color be, let's do, wait, let me do something. So settings dot grid row 0 is equal to 0, column is equal to 0. Now that is it. But what if I do dog now? Is it smart enough so that it reverses? Yeah, it's smart enough so that it reverses the thing. Okay. CIW, and then we say light, and then we have that settings, and then we have the font. I'm gonna go for Helvetica. So Helvetica, and then I'm gonna go for a pretty huge font, 20, and then that's it for the moment. Not doing many things, but I'm gonna sticky to north. That's gonna be able to get this to here. Now I'm gonna create the buttons. So create label, we create label settings, and then I'm gonna create button dark mode. So wait a second. So dark button underscore dark is equal to button underscore dark is equal to tk dot ctk but Wait, what? RBS just disconnected for some reason. Good, good. OBS just disconnected. Shit, that was scary. Dark mode, and then what do we say? Let's just create it for the moment, and then just add the command. So, command. I'm gonna create another functions.py, and then I'm gonna go for from function import all, and then create function to function dark mode, and then we say def dark underscore mode. It will well, let's try this. It will switch to dark theme. So we could say what? We could say ctk dot get set underscore column set appearance mode mode, and then to dark. Do I have to import? Yeah, it's gonna ask me to. Oh shit. Import CustomTkinter as ctk. So it's gonna think it's gonna work now. If I do the command here, command is equal to dark mode. So I think it's gonna do. So button underscore dark dot grid row is equal to 0, column is equal to 0, and then the sticky is gonna be the west side. Oh shit. And then the padding of it's gonna be x. Pad of x is equal to let's put 20 on that, and then let's try this. It's gonna be like that. So if I click on dark mode, it's gonna be dark mode, and then we can say another one. What if I remove this? So insert this. What if I do this? Oh, it's gonna be testify. Yeah, ctk is not defined. Okay. I want the functions to stay another place. I want this to be like a cleaner code. Or do we just I think we just do it. Control X. So paste this over here. Undo, paste this over here. And then save and quit. Delete this, and then yeah, that's it. ctk.set. If I do main.py, it's gonna give me dark mode, and then we're gonna create the button for what do you say, for light mode. Light mode, and then CIW light mode, and then light mode. So function appearance, and then this goes here. Is it light mode, and then this is going to be light mode, CIW light. Now we can try it. So button underscore light dot grid. Just grid this. Okay, I just closed that for no apparent reason. Light mode. The row, I did not specify the row. So row is equal to 0 is equal to 0, and then the column is equal to 0. I'm not gonna add any sticky or fucking shitty ass something like that. So let's just Python the main. Okay, it's gonna be light mode, dark mode, and then light mode, dark mode, and then light mode. And then what we can do, we can stick it sticky to the east side. It's gonna be sticking it to the east side right there. Now if I create a label, if I do settings, if I do this, and then I'm gonna create our west, and I'm gonna get R1, and then I'm gonna say main.py. It's gonna be like that. It's not gonna be good. So what we can do, we can add a padding to it. So pad of x is equal to 20. So if I do this, I can get a padding, which is really nice. Now we are getting somewhere. So what was our original plan? Our original plan was this. So we did all this, and then we have to do the output now. Okay, how to draw a line? How to draw a horizontal line connecting the two rows in a single column. That's canvas. Yeah. Line X, Y, and 2. Starting point in pixel, ending point in pixel. How to draw a simple line in CustomTkinter that will go across the screen horizontally. Yeah, because it needs a gradient x1, y1, x2, y2, yeah. Let's try and see this. Copy code, and then test.py, and then paste this over here. Rotate.tk, control D, delete, and then title horizontal line example. Do that, do that. Python test.py is gonna be like that. Okay, what if I do 0? It's gonna be like that. What if I do the starting point is gonna be 0? What's gonna look like? Okay, it's gonna be fucked up. Yeah, because the gradient are 0. What if like that? So the origin is gonna be still like that. Okay, if I do 100 here, so y2 minus y1 is equal to 0. So it's gonna be a line. So x does not do anything yet. Width equal 20, and if I do that, I'll just close that here. I'm just gonna like get a thick line, and then I want this to extend. How do Oh, it's not even extending. Let's just do x to 0. It's multiple assignment and everything. Okay, the line disappears. Lines disappears. If I do 100, it's gonna be smaller. Zero divided by 100 is 0. Yeah. Ending point. But if I do, if I do, it's gonna be like that. I want the whole thing to be like that. How to draw these lines? So A, control D. How to make these lines that goes across the rows and columns. How do we do that? Okay, for the moment, let it be. Let's continue, else I'm gonna just waste a bunch of time. So if I do python main.py and get this light mode, dark mode, light mode, and that. So now I'm gonna create another label called output. Create label output result. Result is equal to tk.ctk label, and then the window, and then the text is gonna be output, and then the font is gonna be Helvetica. So it's not data, Helvetica, and then and then 20. So if I do Fira code regular. Control X, paste this over here, do that, and close that. Light mode. Okay, let's try this. Helvetica. And then I'm gonna paste it to control up, that is it. So, and then I'm gonna paste it into, so column 1, column 0, and then row 0. So column 0, row 1. So now we can say result.grid. So row is equal to 1, and then column is equal to 0, and then the sticky is gonna be the north side. If I do that, it's gonna be like that. Good. I'm gonna do a padding of on the settings. I'm gonna do a padding of so pad of y is equal to 10. Now it's gonna be a bit like that. Okay, so okay. Also, I'm gonna add the padding pad of y is equal to about 10. So it's gonna be a bit down. Yeah. Now we can make the output. So if I do so we're gonna say result create label for pressing the dark mode button, and then so result underscore dark is equal to tk.ctk label and then window. The text is gonna be nothing. And then it's gonna print out. So I think it's gonna be result dark configure, and then the text is equal to activated dark mode. Now I'm gonna say result underscore dark dot grid row is equal to 1, column is equal to 0, and then let's try it. Dark mode, activated dark mode, light mode, still here. Am I live? Yes. How can I make it so that after a label has appear, we make it go away after some time? Pack underscore forget. Can we do this with the grid function, a method function, the same fucking thing. So grid.forget. Wait, just add it here. So control D, control up. Result underscore dark dot forget, and then I'm gonna create after schedule after 3 seconds. Okay, so 1 second. Yeah, 2 seconds. I think is good. So if I do root, so result underscore dark dot after, so we say 1000, and then result so what, dark underscore mode. No, it's not gonna work. Forget. What do we do with forget? What is what if I run it like this? What if I run it like this? Main.py light mode, dark mode. Okay, it's not gonna forget. Okay, so def, so function hide underscore button press hide dark, dark. Let's go. I don't know my label message. I don't know variable names. Yeah. Def hide underscore dark underscore message. It's gonna be no. Wait. Let's just give this the code and see what it tells us. So notepad main.py control A control C control V. I want to make the text activated dark mode go away after 1 second. I don't know if it's gonna know because this is CTK. Okay, it's CTK, yeah. Window dot after. Okay, it's just window dot after hide result. So if I do hide result, it's gonna be dot configure is equal to text is nothing, and then the hide. Okay. So if I do undo, and then if I do hide the message. So if I do result underscore dark dot configure, the text is going to be nothing, and then clear, and then I'm gonna go to window dot after 1000 hide underscore dark message. If I do if I exit out of this and I do python mid, what, where, in the line 16, yeah, expected this, yeah, I gave you this. Okay, it's not safe. So if I do dark mode, light mode, then dark mode. So okay, so I think activated dark mode is gonna be like so I'm gonna do the same thing. Light message. Let's go light message. Wait, so light. So if I do result, let's go dark. How did it do that then? How did it like result underscore dark? Okay, result underscore dark. And this undo. Paste this over here. Paste this over here. Pressing light mode button. Set light. Sticky dot label. Okay, now I get to do that. So I can just do yank this and I paste this over here. CIW result underscore light. Activated light mode. Hide dark message, and I can just hide the light message. Light message. Dark mode, light mode. It does nothing. If I do sticky, if I just because I did not search result grid result yank this, paste this over here. CIW result underscore light. Yes. Fuck yes. I'm gonna remove this. Control up, control up, control up, control up, control up. Create widgets. Now I'm gonna create for create for what? Rose spine. Oh shit. Theme. Rose spine. Moon. It's too. This is shit. This is really shit. Sorry, but I hate this. So now we're gonna say column 1 row column 1, and then I'm gonna create, so this was all create widgets for column 0, create widgets for, place this over here for column 1, and then we can say timer time is equal to ctk, so tk.ctk label, so you get window, you get the text is equal to timer, and then you have the what, you have the font is gonna be the I'm gonna say Arial, because why not, and then the text is gonna be 25, I guess. Yeah, 25. Yeah, it's gonna be like 25, and then I'm gonna just wait. Font is equal to Arial, and then 20 CIW Arial. I did not pack it. Yeah. So timer dot grid row is equal to 0, and then the column is equal to 1, and then the sticky key is equal to north, and then the pad of y is equal to 20. Oh, it's settings, it's gonna 20, it's 10 or 1, and then if I do this, it's gonna be like timer here, and then yeah. So now I'm gonna create the fucking button. I'm gonna create a button. Create label for create label timer. Create button start. So I can just copy up, because I can, why not? Just copy this and just paste this over here. Why not? Because I can. Start is a button, and then the text is gonna be start timer. The command is gonna be I'm gonna add a command, wait. From functions.py. So I'm gonna create a file called timer.py, and I'm gonna cd into .. ls clear, So notepad test ls, so notepad time.py, control C, close this, and then control V over this. So, and then I can do cd, I can do clear cd into to-do.python clear ls. You can have all of this, and then I can import from timer import all. Now it's so I can do def main is gonna be this, and then we could say control shift this to here. Like, Vim is so good. Yeah, Vim is so good. And then we can have I'm gonna add CIW main, and then the command is gonna be control/start. So command is gonna be main. You know what, let's change this to CIW timer. And then if I add the button, so start.grid row is equal to 0, and then the column is equal to 1, and then that's it. And then if I do this, if I do python main.py, cannot import time, import error, cannot import name main from, what line is it? Line 2. Yeah, CIW timer. And then if I put start timer, CTK, wait, what? Self.command, line 550, what? Oh, CTK.button.py, CTK label is not an object callable. I don't understand. Okay. So if I do import CustomTkinter as tk, if I do that, and I'm gonna go for so if I do custom, so let me create a label first. So let me create a label. So the label is gonna be called the result, no, the output underscore time is going to be ctk label, and I'm gonna say window. No, that is the problem. I need to put, my fucking god, bro. Fuck this, and then control X, no, control up, yank this. I'm just gonna paste this over here, and then I'm gonna say import the time function, and then this is the user time. Please enter the time. Let's for the moment insert this, and then let's for the moment to say user underscore time is equal to 55 seconds. So 55 seconds. Okay, for the moment. Now I'm gonna create a label. So create label, label. What do we create? Output on this time. So I'm gonna say output underscore time is equal to tk.ctk window, windows, window, and then the text is going to be nothing. Now we could say output underscore time is going to be dot configure oh fucking hell, configure, and then I'm gonna say text is equal to f and then hours. So I can just paste this here, delete v this, yank this, and then paste this over here. I'm just gonna do this. If I do this, texts are not supported. Where? Line 18. I need help. I need help. So if I do start a thread, up, control, up, control, up, control, up, this I'm gonna. Okay, command timer. There's no command timer, so yeah, this is it. Now if I do main.py, it's gonna start. Yeah, it's gonna start timer. There's nothing here. Give it a dark mode, light mode, and then I'm gonna have to revise this because I don't remember this part really well. I'm gonna have to make notes on that. I have to make notes on that. I'm gonna stop on top. Okay, so let's go and make some notes. Let's go and make some notes. So let me just clear over this. I'm gonna exit out of this. I'm gonna close this. No, I'm gonna close this, and then the Excalibur. If I go excalibur.com, do I get it? Yeah, I get it back. I'll close this also, and then the timer, and then Control E. You get this ideals. Control E. Tab. Here, I'm just gonna save and quit. No, I'm just gonna open that. So, what did we learn? Obsidian. Now, let me get some water. I'll be right back. So. I am back, motherfuckers. what 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 is the position here? What are we looking at? Why do I have one concurrent viewers? What are you doing here, mister? Who are you? Are you chatting? Chat. There's no one here. I know there should be no one here. Yeah. But why are you... Hello? I'm alive? Hello? Why are you watching me have a break? I need help. I don't know what to do. I do not know what to do with the timer mod timer function. Please help me. Sending. Still sending. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. It says concurrent viewers 1. Why? Can I reload this? I don't know how to reload this. I think it should be live. It should reload by itself. Oh well. Chat rate's gonna be 1. Yeah. See, it live. Okay, I don't know where to start now. So I have not even done anything crazy with the customization. So create configure. So wait a second. So define a grid. CustomTkinter grid. So CustomTkinter. I'm gonna shut up and try to work. Oh shit. So if I do grid layout, so shift N, shift N, shift N, shift N, so grid layout, shift N, shift N, shift N, shift N. What? Shift N, shift N, yeah. So so how does this work? Span slash span set not, so if you do not color red, so red, and then this goes here, which if you do not have X, the code will not work. I mean, this is good. Custom. So now buttons. Please refer to the documentation. Widgets. So to be honest, what? So from what I can understand, okay, thorium, not the radioactive thing, but the TK documentations, TK buttons, and then the widgets. Okay, so this is the widgets. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. Okay, so we can have that here, if I can hear. So shard.openai.com, and then I'm gonna go for the test.py function. So control up, delete, import CustomTkinter as CTK. Okay, So if I do root is equal to, so ctk dot set underscore appearance mode, so system, and then ctk dot set underscore default color theme, and then green. I'm gonna try the green one. And then the root is equal to ctk dot ctk, and then that's it. Root dot geometry is equal so 1280 x 720p. It's not 20p, but you know what I get the point. Root dot title is equal to hide labels of the x time. So if I do root dot main loop, will it run? So if I do clear python test dot py, fuck, yeah, ctk, bruh, okay, what, okay, and then python, like that's it, after x time. Okay, so now it's gonna be what? It's gonna be like create a label, create a button, create a label, create widgets, create a label. So label 1 is equal to ctk dot ctk label, and then you say root, and then you say text is equal to hello world. How do you spell world? Okay, and then hover. Can we have hover? I don't know the document. I don't know. I need to check the documentations. Oh shit. I need to check the documentation. So ctk button, ctk label. Does it have a hover function? Justify center. Let's try this. Let's just try it. And then the font, I'm gonna leave everything the same. I don't want the code to be really long. Display widgets, and then label one dot grid. So if I do row is equal to 0, and then the column is equal to 0, then python test. Okay, it's gonna be like that. I don't want it like that. Okay, so what? So define the layout grid layout. So root dot row configure is gonna be 0. Oh my fucking god. And then the weight is gonna be 1, and then the vd is a column configure delete, and it's gonna be 0, and then 0, and then if I do this, it's gonna be in the middle. Now I want this to disappear in about 5 seconds. So will this appear in 5 seconds? Now I can do a function def hide underscore label. So pass, and then that's it. And then we could say function hide underscore label, and then we could say this, and then that. What? To be honest, the default theme for VS Code is kinda nice. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, OneDoc's better. OneDoc theme beats everything, but kinda nice, my friend. Kinda nice. So for how long have I been going? For 1 hour. I've been live for 1 fucking hour. Okay. Hide label. Now I'm gonna do hide the label 1. So if I just let's just print the label. Okay, we have printed the label. Now we're gonna say label dot forget label 1 dot forget. Is that right? I don't know. So you look. So hide result.configure. Okay, result.configure. I'm gonna go for the ChatGPT one. Yeah, I think it's better if I do just look at the original first. Yes. I mean, progress. I have made progress today. To be honest, I have made a lot of progress today. So hide label dot underscore forget. Label dot create forget. But how did I do it here? I did the after here. Let's do the grid underscore forget. What is this gonna give me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Fucking dick. Suck dick. Fuck. Hell. Shit. Kurwa. Suka bliat. No, it's not working. Okay. And then the after. If I do label 1 dot after, and then I do so 5,000, and then the hide underscore label. Now we're moving. I like to move it. I like to move it. Notepad test.py. Fucking hell, it's really hot in here. So okay, just for the moment, Python, and just do this, control this, and the control up. So hide labels of the certain amount of time. Method 1. So using functions, and I mean the other one also have the after method. So using what? Using dot get underscore for dot grid underscore forget function dot grid underscore forget function. Now if I do the hide label with the configure thing, if I do the hide label with the configure thing, so if I do dot configure, I'm gonna say the text, there should be nothing in the text. No, but that is yeah, there should be nothing in the text. So text is gonna be nothing, and then the after here, it's still gonna work, I think. Python test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's good. So then we could say hide labels with amount of time, and then we could say method 2 is gonna be using dot configure, and then the text is equal to going to be like that. Function. That means that we can just do this. So control up, control down, and then just paste this over here. Control down, and then this undo, and then control up here. We can say CIW configure, and then the text is going to be paused here is nothing. Now we could say we are zooming. Example. I have to go now. Hard label of the button press. So I can just do that, and then okay. So. Let me just do this, and I'm gonna go next. So hide label of the button press. Okay, I'm just gonna close this for the moment because I don't need it, and I'm gonna go now. I have this as fucking yeah, and then wait a second, give me a second. I have the notes here. So what do I have? I have so label 1, the text will disappear. Okay, and then I'm gonna create a label, create a button, create a button. So button is equal to tk.ctk button. Let's go see the button root, and then the text is going to be press me, and then the what the hell is going to be the font. Alright, let's just do that like this. It's gonna be fine. Yeah, it's gonna be fine. So it's gonna output. So function button underscore press. So def button underscore press, and then we're gonna say label 1 dot configure. No, we can just say instead of wait, this is longer. So I have a label for the result dark, and there's nothing here. I can do this. What if I just do the text? How can I do it so that the text is nothing? No, but the thing is, you have to. If I do this, wait, just do pause here. If I do this, if I do shit here. Okay, this is not really a good idea to shit there, but okay, shit is here. This is when I press dark mode, it's gonna activate dark mode. It's gonna okay. That is why we have to close it. So wait a second. Sorry. Press me, and then the command is going to be button press. Okay, so that is the command for the button press. Slash space. Okay. I don't know how to remove this like highlight thing. That is the thing that I don't know how to remove. It's okay. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. So we're gonna write the thing here. Write what we want to be displayed. So label underscore one dot configure. So text is equal to will this appear off after 5 seconds. Should be one. Paste this here. Should be insert like that. And then if I do up here, and I'm gonna say window of the. Okay, it's not the this one. It's going to be let's just do label one first. Okay, let's just try label one. Okay, so we have configure, and then I'm gonna try Python TestPy. So I've not packed the button. Fuck. Do I have to? Did I? Yeah, I did. I did the result. Yeah. Need to display label one to know where it will be on the window. So button dot grid row is equal to 0, column is equal to 0, and then the sticky is gonna be north, and then the the padding of y is going to be 300. Python TestPy. Okay, press me. Nothing happens. Shit. 20. Okay, nothing is happening. Why is nothing happening? So do we have nothing? We have nothing here. Oh, CIW so root. Now it's gonna do anything. It's not gonna do anything. Right, how did I do that? Result. What is result? Result is this, the output. This is the shit here thing. So this is nothing. This is what my label one is. Basically my label one is that. My label one is the thing. And then we have the label, we have the function to call the thing. Oh, so we don't have a label here. What if, wait. Let's label 2.configure. Let's just test label L is equal to configure text is equal to shit. Now if I do yank this over here, and then if I do that, what is happening? Should it not be a label, like an actual label? If I do okay, so sticky is equal to south. Doesn't show. So if I do is equal to okay, dot label root text is equal to shit. Nothing is happening. It's too hot for this. Wait, what is happening here? What am I doing? Oh, I did the same thing here. Oh, it's am I doing something wrong with this label? Hide the message. And then this is going to be press me. Yes, it's oh shit, I'm so fucking dumb. Button underscore press. I'm so fucking dumb, I think. Oh my fuck, how dumb can someone be?